Today in this video I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A54. Press and hold the power button along with the volume down button until the device turns off. Connect your phone to a PC or laptop using a USB cable. Then simultaneously press and hold the power key and volume up button until the Samsung logo appears. Release the held combination to activate recovery mode. Use the volume rocker to move to the wipe data or factory reset option and press the power key to select it. Select factory data reset from the options presented and confirm the procedure. Once the factory reset operation is completed, select reboot system now to restart your device. After the reset process is finished, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as you did when you first purchased it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.